It's a time of rips and dips in the Russell. Hello, traders. I'm Angela Miles with the Russell Report. It's a wild and busy trading week in the small caps. Big tech earnings, the Fed, and now the jobs report are all moving the market. The jobs report for July was below expectations. 114,000 Americans added to payrolls last month, and the unemployment rate ticked up to 4.3%. That was a surprise. Bad news for the economy. It's slowing down. That's great news for the Fed and those rate cuts. Traders that I'm talking to are seeing selling into rallies. Yesterday, the Russell was down heavily, but the Russell is still up about 7% for the month. Also, in options trading going into the closing bell last night, there were buyers of puts and sellers of calls. That's a bearish theme in trading world. Trading volumes have been brisk and above normal. Implied vol in the Russell is also on the high side. A trader bought 3,900 contracts into the bell last night of the August 30 weekly 2020 puts, now paying $15.40 for those put contracts. There was also a buyer of 3,900 of the end of the month August weeklies in the 2050 strike. That trade cost $29.85 per contract, and similar put buying goes all the way down to $1,800. That could be someone hedging a long position or bracing for the Russell to tumble. The straddle for today, and this could get interesting, it's projecting the Russell could move up or down 2%, and then next week 3.5%. Enjoy it if you love volatility. I noted big swings were likely for the small cap index last week when I was reporting, and it looks like we could be in for another wild ride next week. In the mini Russell options, some very active and above normal trading there. Volumes have been big in the smaller version of the Russell, and one player trader, most likely a retail trader, bought 20 contracts of the August 5 weekly 218 puts for $3.24. It was also a buyer of 20 contracts of the August 5 weeklies at the 213 put strike for $1.24. That's your report for this week. I hope you enjoyed my reports and join me next Friday. Have a fantastic trading day, everybody.